Hey everybody, this is our 6x10 wheel repair trailer. A lot of people have asked for us to get an entry-level trailer going that is compliant. This is what we've done. So we have a 6x10. It's on 5K axles. It's a 7-foot height. We have the jack stands on the door. It holds 2-wheel capable. Heat lamp, sandpaper holders. Does vent to the roof for EPA. We do have a paint cabinet in here. Toolbox, storage. We have a full shelving set of storage up here, and even some other little miscellaneous things, a bead breaker, RTI oil water separator, basic safety things that we have to have on it. It does come with some ads in it, but this trailer base price without a generator, without a compressor, is $19,500. There's no trailer on the market right now that is compliant like this one for this price.